Hey guys, today's video is really raining hard. There's like a puddle right there, and you could see water when they're driving because there's like a waterfall and it's going in there, and it's really raining hard, so it's really hard. You could see in my grass right there, there's like water, like a tadpole, I guess I would say. Yeah. And it's raining really hard. I think you guys can see it. So I'm gonna let you guys sit there and watch. So, it's really raining hard. So I'll make another video later and see you guys later. Bye.